Hello, I'm Christina Fay, licensed clinical psychologist. I wanted to walk you through a brief mindfulness exercise so that we could check in with the body. This one will be mostly focused on a body scan with a little bit of progressive muscle relaxation in there. And at the beginning, we'll check in with our thoughts and emotions, but kind of let those go to reorient to the body. So if you could, find a seat or lay down. Once you found a seat or you're in a laying down position, maybe even standing if you want, move your focus to check in that your ankles are in line with your knees are in line with your hips, all stacked up on each other. Then, if you can, and it doesn't cause any significant pain, check in to see if we can get those shoulders in line with the hips. And then once that's done, it's a little bit easier. Just comfortably place your hands and arms by your side on your waist or your belly. And then you can make sure your head and the crown of your head is in line with your spine and your shoulders and hips. Once we've kind of found this comfortable position, feel free, move around, make sure it's comfortable. Get into a comfortable place, and then once we're there, we'll find some stillness. And we're gonna find a place in front of you or close your eyes to focus on. So you might see me looking at the camera, or you might see me looking down. Either way, find your comfortable eye position. It can usually be helpful if you're focused on a point or you have your eyes closed so that all the sensory information that your eyes take in around you aren't distracting you. So go ahead, find that focus point or close those eyes. And then we're gonna meet together focused on the top of your head. So you might be noticing your hair, you might be noticing the air, the breeze coming in, touching your scalp or moving your hair around. Really focus on that area with the top of your head. Move down to notice the forehead. Is it tight or is it relaxed? And your eyebrows. Are they pulling tight together or are they relaxed and seated apart? Go into your nose. Can you breathe freely? Are your nostrils relaxed or flared? Then focus on your mouth, your jaws. Are they tight? Lips pursed together? Or are they relaxed? Lips gently apart. While we're on the head, we're going to check in with your thoughts, the emotions, what your brain and your body's doing. So really focus on those thoughts. Let them in. Thank yourself for having them. And then intentionally let them go. Just like we notice the breeze on your hair. We're going to let those thoughts and emotions go just like the breeze goes away. As soon as you can, refocus back on your jaw and your mouth. Thinking those thoughts, letting them go. Being mindful that that is what this practice is about. Awareness, and then directing your attention where you want it to go. So we're back at the throat. Notice if there's any tension in your neck, your throat, your shoulders, your chest, your arms or hands, your belly button, hips, thighs, knees, calves and shins, ankle, and the bottoms of your feet, tops of your feet, and toes. Now, if you can, if it doesn't cause any pain, just with everything we do, want to notice and then move around. So now you're gonna move those toes around. Really connect. Do you feel any cotton? Do you feel the sheets? Do you feel the cold, hard floor? Just notice as you wiggle what's around them. Then we're gonna move up to your foot. So you're gonna move those toes and your foot up as if you're trying to touch your shins. That's gonna tighten. I'm gonna hold that. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're gonna relax. 1, 2, 3, 4. With any of these progressive muscle relaxations or body scans, if it causes any pain, causes any discomfort, feel free to skip it. Just sit there and notice as we're in that area. Okay, gonna move up. So with this part, you're gonna notice your knees and then pull your feet up in line so that your feet and your knees and your thighs are all in line. It's gonna tighten those thighs, and we're gonna hold that there. 1, 2, 3, and then we're gonna relax. 1, 2, 3. We'll move up to your belly button. Pull that belly button in as if you're trying to reach your spine. 1, 2, 3, and then we'll relax. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna move up to your shoulders. So we're gonna pull your hands in, build a fist if you can. Pull your fists in line with your shoulders. That'll engage those shoulder blades, pulling them back together. And then we're gonna do a strong person pose. 1, 2, 3. And then we're gonna relax all those parts. Fist, arms, resting, shoulders, relaxed. 2, 3. Now we're gonna go up to your jaw. You'll pull your teeth together, clenching the best you can. That'll engage the jaw as well as some of the throat. 1, 2, 3, and then we'll relax. 1, 2, 3. Notice your nose, breathe in. 1, 2, 3, and then breathe out your mouth. 1, 2, 3. Pull up to those eyebrows. You'll pull them together as if in deep, deep thought. 1, 2, 3, and then we'll relax them. 1, 2, 3. Now that we're back up to the head where the brain is, we're going to focus back in. Are there any thoughts? Are you noticing anything throughout that body scan? Anything come into your mind? Let those thoughts form. Think them. And then if you can, focus on something you're grateful for. Maybe it's grateful for taking this time, checking in with your body. Maybe it's time for getting to know yourself or following through with a goal. Maybe you're grateful for being able to set an intention for today, getting to know yourself better. Or you can look around the room and notice something you're thankful for. Favorite red pen that works really well. Either way, we'll end at gratitude. And this is something you can do really briefly every day to connect your thoughts, your body, and your mind, and give a little rest and relaxation in a busy day. Thanks for meeting me here, and thank you for your time.